Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi dear, welcome back to Cel Kirei official channel. Continue to subscribe and on bell notification. My next skincare, happy watching. Hi guys, so I'm done to wash my face using facial wash by Wardah with secret. And now I will use eye mask by Basha. I review already this product for you. If you didn't watch, I will put the link here. Okay, wait around 10 minutes. Okay, and use the wet tissue like this. And now I'm going to using face mask by Revolution. Just leave it around 10 minutes. I was off already the mask, and now I'm going to use toner. This is by Wardah Lightening face toner. And now I'm gonna to use eye cream by Basha Black Orchid. And now I'm going to using night cream or moisturizer by Basha Bio Gold 24K. You can see the texture very soft and smell very nice one. And now I'm gonna to use lip mask by Emina. This is Indonesia Brand, and the smell very nice. Oh my god! And the last, I'm going to use eyesleepingmask by glowreceipt avocado melt. Okay, this is I get free by Sephora. Almost finished already, and I really like this eyesleepingmask. And then already guys, thank you for watching. And don't forget to leave your positive comment on comment section below. See you on the next video. Bye bye.